First, cast on 20 stitches. The bunny is created in the center 8 stitches, so really you could make any number of stitches on the sides. This video is going to show you how to do the cable stitches and how to make the bobble tail. For the full knitting pattern, please visit the link in the description. First, you're going to knit 2 rows. Row 5 of the pattern is the first cable row. You're going to knit 2 stitches, purl 4, then you're going to cable 2 back and cable 2 forward. To begin, take your cable needle and remove 2 stitches from the left-hand needle. Bring them to the back, and then knit 2 stitches from the left-hand needle. This is cable 2 back. Then you're going to bring the stitches on the cable needle forward and knit the 2 stitches from them. To cable 2 forward, you're going to take the cable needle and remove 2 stitches from the left-hand needle, and this time you're going to keep them in the front of the work. Then knit 2 stitches from the left-hand needle, and knit the 2 stitches from the cable needle. Finish the row by purling 4 and knitting the last 2 stitches. This is going to be the bottom of the bunny. On row 9 of the pattern, you're going to make a bobble for the tail. Begin by knitting 2 and purling 4, and then knit 4 more stitches. Now we're ready to make the bobble stitch. In the next stitch on the left, you're going to knit in the front of the stitch, then knit in the back, then knit in the front, then knit in the back, and then the front one last time, and slide the old stitch off. You're going to have 5 stitches in 1 stitch. When you're finished, turn the work over and purl the 5 stitches you just made. Then you're going to turn the work over again and knit across the 5 stitches that you just made. Turn the work over again and purl across these 5 stitches. Turn the work over and knit 2 stitches together, knit 1, and knit 2 together again, which leaves you with 3 stitches on the bobble stitch. Turn the work over and purl across these 3 stitches. Turn the work over one last time and slip the first stitch onto the right needle and then knit the other 2 stitches together and then pass the slip stitched over. This leaves you with 1 stitch. Now the bobble tail is complete. Finish the row by knitting 3, purling 4, and knitting 2. The next cable row is row 17, and we're going to make the head. Knit 2 stitches, purl 4, and then we're going to cable 4 back. To cable 4 back, we're going to take 4 stitches from the left-hand needle and put them on the cable needle. Then we're going to bring them to the back of the work, and we're going to knit across the 4 stitches on the left-hand needle. Then we're going to knit the stitches off of the cable needle. The final cable row is row 25, and we're going to make the ears. So knit 2, purl 4, and then we're going to cable 4 back. We're going to cable 4 back just like we did on the previous cable row by taking 4 stitches from the left-hand needle and putting them on the cable needle. Then we bring them to the back and knit 4 stitches on the left-hand needle. Then we're going to knit 4 stitches from the cable needle. The rest of the pattern is finished using simple knit and purl stitches. Remember, please visit the link in the description for the full knitting pattern. Thanks for watching.